Hello and welcome to this Trigger 2-minute tutorial, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Trigger's timecode reader. So I have LTC longitudinal timecode coming into an input port on my sound card that's attached to this system, and the way we set up our reader is we go to Project, System Clock and Timecode, and we make sure that the timecode page is selected, and then the time code is actually plugged into my input port 1 on this sound card. So I simply click start reading, and you can see that we have sync. We can see it's a good level. It displays the frame rate of the time code and an actual reading for the time code here. So we can then choose to add events. We can simply click on the add event button here. We can add as many events as we like, and then we can type in a timecode value when we want that event to occur. So in this instance we'll put 10:04:00:00. We'll keep that at, and it's button 1 we want to fire. And then when we're happy with that, we can simply click done down here, and when that time code is reached, and we can see the time code on our timecode reader down here on the status bar, once it gets to 10:04, then we should hear that cue fire.
1.
And there it is. We can choose to display this timecode reader down here or hide it simply by clicking on the pop-up menu associated with the status bar in this project. So that's how you add a timecode event, and you can add, as I say, as many events to your project as you wish. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed watching today's 2-minute tutorial, and you'll join me next time.